DigitalBix fashions. Night creams can make your 8 hours of sleep more than wonderful. Slathering on night cream before going to bed makes the skin smooth, soft, and supple. Here's the list of 5 best night cream brands in India. Number 1. L'Oreal Paris. L'Oreal Paris is one of the leading brands that offer a multitude of skincare and glamorous cosmetic products. Out of all skincare products, L'Oreal Paris Revita Lift Deep Set Wrinkle Repair Night Lotion provides the perfect treatment for your skin during bedtime. Number 2. The Body Shop. The Body Shop was established in 1976 in England by Dame Anita Roddick. Since its inception, The Body Shop has evolved as a premium brand that offers nature-inspired skincare, makeup, hair care, bath and body products. Number 3. Forest Essentials. Forest Essentials is an Ayurvedic and organic skincare brand that offers 100% natural products for men and women. Out of all skincare products, Forest Essentials Night Treatment Jasmine and Patchouli Cream is one excellent anti-aging night cream that is infused with the essence of jasmine and patchouli. Number 4. Kaya. Kaya offers various hair and skin care products, and it also has over 100 plus treatment clinics all over India and the Middle East. The company was established in 2003 by Harsh Mariwala with the aim to bring reliable beauty solutions to the doorstep. Number 5. Olay. Olay is a leading skincare brand that originated in South Africa as Oil for Olay in 1952. Olay offers different night creams and serums for different age segments. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel DigitalBix Fashions.